Hey guys, welcome back to the Cob Barndominium. We are back here in Central Texas, and we're going to do an update video. And we have been working on some of the plumbing. We have a laundry room build that we've been talking about lately, and I'm trying to get the water line up into the wall so I can finish off the wall, move on to other projects. But one part of the build that I needed to expand, I didn't want to do in two stages. And I wanted to move the hose bib from where it is around the corner so it's not inside the wall. And I wanted to add an outdoor shower and dog wash station. It's something that I do in most of my houses. We're usually dog owners. We haven't had a dog in a little while because we have young kids. We're thinking about doing it soon. So let me show you what we've done and what the overall vision is. So you can see here, I got a shower head hooked up. Oh, sorry. It's 1/2 inch. So this is a little 1/2 inch male threaded coupler. And this is all 1/2 inch line, 1/2 inch ball valve, all the way down to a 1 inch to 1/2 inch 90. And I ran all of my water lines across the whole property 1 inch. And there's about 700 feet of that on my property. And then right at the water fixture, I reduced to 1/2 inch. So that's what this is. This will be my hose bib. So this will be how I actually wash the dogs, right? And the humans will get washed with that. And everything else is 1 inch. And that's for water pressure. It'd be like holding your thumb over the nozzle. So I transfer everything in 1 inch. And on this one, what I'm going to do is do 1 inch into 3/4, and then I will be doing a 1/2 inch reducer when I get to the the laundry setup. My washing machine and dryer will both have water lines because I'll probably have a steam dryer. And just to kind of show you what I'm talking about, because it just looks like PVC. This is the actual piece I made, right? So we can actually pull this out here too. This piece right here. Oh, you've been dropped. Oop, we're back. That's pretty cool. So that's the piece right there. And what we're going to do is cut into this water line and add it, and that will be our new upgrade. So that's it. I hope you like our project. It'll be finished sometime today, and tomorrow we'll be closing in this wall. So we'll show you how the shower works on our next big update and walk around. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe and share and all that stuff. Have a good day.